Hi, I'm Mac, class of 1977. Before students graduate from the School of Social Ecology, they're required to do 100 hours of field work at a community organization that focuses on topics such as sustainability, at-risk youth, and urban planning, while serving students deepen their understanding of community issues and take a seminar to apply what they've learned. Through my field study experience at the Orange County Probation Department, I was exposed to the justice system, and it allowed me to see delinquency theories that I've been studying in class play out in practice. My field study experience was key in launching my 40-year career in probation, and I recently retired as the Chief Probation Officer in San Diego County. During my career, I developed expertise in contemporary criminal justice practices and have had the opportunity to share my knowledge with probation agencies across the country. UCI's Giving Day is coming April 24th. Help support field study to ensure the program continues to be transformative for students and our community. Gifts made during this 24-hour campaign will enable students to impact communities through workshops, scholarships, and student-developed projects. Join me on April 24th to support the students who impact our community through field study. To learn more, go to give.uci.edu. Zot, zot, zot!